this is Robert Clark, and I will be giving you a small demo of my Sinatra Web App. First of all, we're going to have our little welcome page here. We're going to have the option to sign up or log in. We're going to sign up. That should take us to our sign up page. So from here, we're going to have the option to make a username, email, or and password. So let's see, we're going to make a username of, let's say, John, and to show the validation that I have on here, I'm going to do, say, mail.com. That's an email I've used before, and what that should do is that the app should see that I've used that email before, and that's not going to be usable. It's not going to be a valid email. And we're just going to add a pass here. Alright, see, yep, didn't work. So let's try that again with a different email. Let's just say at mail.com. Not a real email, but it will do. Then we'll hit sign up. And that should create a new profile with a new username, John. Alright, and that takes us to our login page where you sign in with an email and a password. You never really sign in with a username. So let's see, at mail.com, and and our password. We'll hit login. Takes a minute. There we go. See, it says that we're logged in as John. That's our username. And it gives us the option to go to your lists, new list, or log out. Well, if we were to hit your list, we don't really have a list yet, so we're going to have to make a new list. And the whole idea of this web app is to just give users the ability to make a list and also add movies to their list for if they may want to watch those movies later. So let's see, new list name. Let's say you want to make a horror list, but let's misspell it on purpose. You may have seen the option was already saved there. I kind of messed my video up earlier. Had to redo it again. There we go. Alright, so we have horror there, misspelled. And the reason I misspelled it is because I wanted to also show you the edit feature, so you can go back and fix any mistakes. And there's also a delete button which allows you to delete the list entirely, but I'll show you that later. So what we want to do is hit edit. And we'll go back, we'll correct the misspelling, and we will hit our save button, which should take us back to your lists. I'm also going to make another list to show that the edit and delete buttons are there for each individual list. So let's add another one. We'll do a comedy, create list. Alright, and like I said, we have the edit and delete button for comedy as well. But what we're going to do now is we're going to click here. You click on the title of the list, and it will take you inside of that list where you can add a movie. So we're going to do Friday the 13th. And that should just add it to our list here. Yep, there we go. Alright, so now we're going to go to your lists, which is going to be our horror and comedy list. And I'm just going to show you that you can completely delete that list. Alright, and the only other option now is to log out. we go. Thank you for watching my demo.